After selling over 120,000 units in Europe, Kia's highly successful X Ceed compact crossover has received a series of product enhancements for 2022. These include a bold new exterior design, an enhanced interior, and new GT Line and GT Line S trim levels. These changes make the X Ceed an even more enticing proposition in the popular C crossover segment. The X Ceed has been a hugely popular car for Kia in the UK, accounting for 10% of total Kia sales in the country during 2021 and more than half of all Ceed sales over the same timeframe. The new X Ceed integrates a series of design changes alongside a competitive powertrain lineup that includes turbocharged petrol and plug-in hybrid versions. Both the exterior and interior have been enhanced to better match the sporty urban nature of the X Ceed and make it an even more distinctive member of the Ceed model family. The inclusion of sporty GT Line and GT Line S specifications for the first time offers an exciting and dynamic driving experience. These dedicated models capture the imagination and evoke an emotional reaction by appealing to customers who want the rational benefits of a larger vehicle without compromising on their sense of style or sportiness. Standing out in the X Ceed range, the GT Line and GT Line S models defy expectations with their unique sporty design and GT-inspired ambience. As one of the most high-tech cars in its class, the new Kia X Ceed is a flagship model for Kia thanks to its latest technologies including advanced safety, connectivity, and infotainment systems. Designed to improve everyday usability, enjoyment and occupant safety, these updates continue the X Ceed's legacy as a leader within the C crossover segment. As a sustainable mobility solutions provider, Kia introduces the latest X Ceed with a range of efficient and electrified powertrain options. The X Ceed plug-in hybrid, PHEV, delivers an all-electric driving range of 29.8 miles, equivalent to 36.6 miles of city driving, while a fast-revving, 1.5-liter turbocharged petrol engine ensures the X Ceed matches customers' on-road performance expectations. Stuart Nipping, Vice President of Marketing and Product at Kia Europe, commented, "Our customers have praised the X Ceed's unique combination of dynamic handling, everyday practicality, and in-car technology. This new model builds upon these strengths with a series of stylish exterior and interior design changes and new technology features. We've also ensured our enhanced crossover benefits from the latest powertrain options, a sign of our long-term commitment to delivering sustainable mobility solutions for our customers." A sporty alternative to larger models, the X Ceed has become the best-selling model in the wider Kia Ceed lineup. It provides the commanding driving position and comfort of an SUV with the dynamic handling and maneuverability of a compact European hatchback. Nipping added. As with other members of the Ceed model family, the new X Ceed is manufactured at Kia's high-tech production facility in Žilina, Slovakia, which uses 100% renewable energy for its operations.